Hello friends, very recently I gave a training to the teachers of mathematics of a very prestigious school on how to use AI for teaching of mathematics and its various disciplines. And one of the problem which was reported by the teachers was that when they create the question paper using any large language model, for example ChatGPT, there are equations into that, and when they copy paste that equation into like MS Word, the formatting of the equation gets disturbed. It doesn't look like the equation. So let me demonstrate you how to create a question paper using a large language model. In this case we will use ChatGPT by OpenAI, and then how we can preserve the formatting of the equations or any diagrams if there are any. So our task will be in various steps. First we will create a question paper. Now the important thing here is that in the equations, the MS Word, it accepts them as not as a normal text but as a LaTeX, or with the special, means if you don't want to just simply take a screenshot of that equation and want to paste into it, because sometimes due to the color differentiation of the background of the equation, it may look like it is a pasted thing. So what we are going to do here, we will add this prompt. It has two parts. First of all, it gives the instruction to create a question paper on mathematics having 10 questions from different areas like algebra, trigonometry, calculus, coordinate geometry, etc. Then it will create the question paper, but we need the equations to be pasted which they look like as equation. So the second part would be to have the code for the LaTeX input. Okay, so let us ask the, so here is our prompt and let it work. So this has generated the question paper, and you can see now there are various kind of equations. If normally we paste them, then they will look like linear equation, not as the actual. So here we have the two parts of our output. One is the question paper. So this was the part one. Now what we are going to do is open a new document. Let us have it as a blank document, and the first part is to paste the normal text of our question paper. So let us select the whole text as such. Okay, and these are our 10 questions. So I'm copying and pasting it here. Now you can see these are the instructions which have come up. Okay, I'm not going into the formatting because that's not the focus of this demonstration, but you see here the equation, this is linear equation, but in question number 2 for algebra this is equation, or in question number 3 for trigonometry the equation should look like this, but it looks like this, so it doesn't serve our purpose. Okay, so see, this is a big problem. So what we are going to do here is that let us remove these. Okay, so I think this also goes. So let us go with question number 1. So this has this 1, 2, 3, 3 portions. Solve the following system of equations. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we are going to use this LaTeX input for MS Word, and for that what we need to do is that we need to press Alt equal to sign and paste this LaTeX code. So this is the here question number 1, and we copied first code, then alt equal to, and it has come here, so we paste the equation, and after that from the drop down under the design for equation tools, select professional, and it will look like this. So equation, and we can shift it here. Then next one, alt, the second code, and similarly the pressing alt equal to, go to the third one, copy and paste it here. After that professional. So now says this is our solve the following system of equations using the matrix method. These are our 3 equations, and in here this was our, so it looks okay. Now if z is equal to 2 plus 3i, find, then this is the equation, also represent z on the equivalent plane. Okay, and how it looks like. So this is need to type, and let us see the first part. Okay, here if z is equal to 2 plus 3i, find z is equal to 2 plus 3i. So we need to it has repeated. Okay, and here the equation will come again by pressing alt, the equation type here. Now we go to our code, and here is the code. You can see now that this was the linear one, so it is already there. We need to copy this and paste it here, and then professional. So now you can see that it has come up as this equation. Okay, now let us say for the third one, prove that this is here also. Let us correct, and let's make it italics. Okay, see, this is the whole thing has completely changed. So what we are going to do again, alt equal to, go here, and this is our question 3. Let us take the code for question 3. See, this is the LaTeX code, it is written here, and copy, paste it here, select, let us see how was our original one. Okay, prove that. So once we can bring that here, and the whole thing can go. Okay, let us see 2CACA. Where is our third question? Okay, so this much. Now fourth question is calculus. Y is equal to x square sin x with respect to x. So fourth question, and let us remove, again go with alt equal to sign, and go to fourth. So this is our code, we copied it, brought it here, and click on the profession. So now you see y is equal to and this one. Okay, so you see, okay, let us do for now fifth. Find the intervals is this. Okay, so we need to have this simple code. Question number 5, copy. Question number 4, let us remove this one. Let's put a space, alt equal to, copy, and again convert that to, so this is gone. Now last one more, so we can have this calculus. Okay, what is this question look like? Okay, this is the equation, and question number 6, this is the code, and again alt equal to, paste the equation and change the format. Okay, so equation of the circle, what is question number 7? So this is with arcs, parenthesis, find the equation of the circle. Okay, so here is our 7, although this is repeated, but let us do it that way. So alt equal to here and change the format, so this will look like a proper formatting. Question number 8, it looks like it has 2 parts, this one and this one. Okay, these are little 3D coordinate system. So question number 8, part 1, copy, and okay, let us remove the whole thing, and A here, and we convert it. Okay, and then bring the second part, this, copy here. Let us see, this is 1 vector, 2 vector. Well, let us see the original. Okay, here 1, 2ij, 2k, I, 2k, 2g. Okay, ai, 2j, 2ij, 2k. Yes, it is correct. Illustrate the vector like that. Okay, so the next question, a die is thrown 2 times and 8 and a prime number. Okay, so that is the question number 9. Let us see, that will be simple one. So copy code 9. So to have a better formatting, we will do it in this way. And the second part, sum is prime, alt equal to, here it goes. So this is what, this is our simple table, so we can keep it as such. But otherwise, if we want it to appear like this, is a class interval. So here, let us see, copy, and what we are going to do it, let us say alt equal to, copy, find the mean, and then yes, you can simply use the table here, so and copy, this will again appear as the same thing. So this is our table. So the whole question paper is ready, and now what we can do, let us save it. So we can say it as class 12 maths question paper, and so that the formatting is retained, let us save it as a PDF document. So here is the PDF. Let us have a look. Okay, so this equation is fine, this is fine, this is okay, okay, very good.